Okay, so everything's in the green and Bitcoin is holding steady at $40,000 and I'm really excited about that. But is this just a quick little fake out in terms of a quick little bull moment? Will we see another crash again like we saw with Bitcoin and all those other cryptocurrencies? You know, there's a lot of things happening right now and I'm going to talk about them in this video coming right up and probably what you should probably do moving forward. Stick around. What's up, Crypto Land? Black Crypto here, bringing another cryptocurrency video where I talk about the basics of Bitcoin and everything else cryptocurrency. Now, in terms of cryptocurrencies, how to build generational wealth and how to build your own business off of cryptocurrencies. But right now, we're looking at the price of Bitcoin and hopefully where it's going to go in the future. Of course, we saw that big bloodbath that we saw about a week ago where Bitcoin dipped down to about $29,000. We even saw Ethereum dipping down to about $1,700 there. And we really didn't know what was going to happen. But I talked about it in a previous video that I think a crash was going to be coming up where we see Bitcoin probably going down to about $25,000. And I'm not too sure if that was the actual crash that we were looking for, or if we're going to be seeing another crash coming up in the future. Maybe this might be a quick little fake out right now where we're seeing the price of Bitcoin now shooting up in terms of $40,000. But what's going to happen? I'm going to be talking about some of the things that's in the news right now, of course, why it's probably shooting up to $40,000 and maybe why it might actually stay at $40,000 now with this positive news now coming out about Bitcoin and other things about other different cryptocurrencies. Okay, so now in terms of that actual dip that we saw, in terms of the price going all the way down to $29,000, what did I actually teach you? One of the things that it might have taught you is that if you're a person with weak hands, you probably would have sold all of your cryptocurrencies, or you probably were just really fearful and didn't want to buy into cryptocurrencies whatsoever. Now, of course, what happened? We saw that cryptos made a bounce back. So of course, cryptos are not going anywhere. And of course, if you had put a little bit of money into cryptocurrencies at that time, right now you probably would have assumed a profit of anywhere between 10, 20, 30%. And some of the even riskier tokens out there, you probably would have gotten even more. So right now, what is the opportunity? Is the opportunity to get in right now? Of course, the opportunity is still to get in right now. We have the risk of it going right back down, but we do know at some time it will go right back up. So are you a trader? Or are you a person that's just going to hold on to some cryptocurrencies, buy some when you can, and just assume the value over time? Now, talking about some other tokens or coins, for instance, Axie Infinity. Now, Axie Infinity was actually going up when all the other cryptocurrencies were actually going down during that crash. Now, what is Axie Infinity? Is a gaming platform. Now, I'm really excited about this. You can play to actually earn. They're based off of the Ethereum platform. Now, I'm really excited about NFTs, and if NFTs are going to play a big role coming up into the future, not only with DeFi, but also with gaming in terms of real world assets, in terms of DeFi, in terms of doing things in terms of with money and investments. But when it comes to gaming, in terms of now monetizing assets in terms of a virtual world or in terms of metaverses. And now when it comes to these metaverses, I'm really excited about that. So you definitely need to pay close attention. And I also talked about Decentraland in the past. So this is one of those teachable moments for you to say, hey, maybe I need to start looking at some of these other cryptocurrencies other than just worrying about Bitcoin. Now, of course, you can worry about the top 5 cryptocurrencies, whether that's Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or maybe even Polkadot or Cardano or even Chainlink. Those are some of the safe coins that I think that would be here for the long term. But there are some other great platforms out there that you should be checking into, whether it's a sector that you believe into or not, like, for instance, gaming. Check it out because that's going to play a big role with crypto in general. So if you understand the technology behind cryptocurrency and understand that it's not only about money, or how can I use money in a digital way, or where would that money be applied in a digital way? Gaming. I need to start checking out some gaming platforms when it comes to cryptocurrency. So why is the price even at $40,000 right now? Now, in terms of the news, there are a lot of positive news right now, and that's probably one of the reasons why we got this boost in terms of the actual price. For instance, one of those news right now in terms of pieces is that talk with Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, and of course, Elon trying to push Jack Dorsey to start accepting that on Twitter. Now, of course, Jack Dorsey is really on top of this, and that's eventually going to happen, especially as the Lightning Network definitely improves and grows a whole lot more as we go to these upgrades that's going to be happening in the end of the year. But anyway, apart from that, when it comes to Elon Musk, did you know that also SpaceX also now holds some Bitcoin? So that's some positive news that's happening right now. But one of the other positive news that is happening, I think, that everybody was talking about is that Amazon is going to start accepting cryptocurrency. Now, of course, that came out to be an actual rumor. Now, let me just tell you guys this. Now, you can definitely shop on Amazon by buying gift cards with cryptocurrency and then shopping on Amazon. But you know what? It's not that far of a rumor, and that's one of the reasons why I think we're holding steady right now, and I really think that we're still going to continue to move up. Now, let me actually explain this to you. Two things. Twitch TV. We know how big that platform is, and we already know that you can now, of course not just right now, use cryptocurrencies on that platform. If you're a subscriber, you even get a discount when you use cryptocurrencies. Did you also know that you can use cryptocurrencies to actually shop at Whole Foods? Yeah. Now, why am I even talking about Twitch TV and Whole Foods? Of course, you already figured it out. They're both owned by Amazon. So, in actuality, Amazon already accepts cryptocurrency. The only thing is now, can Amazon actually start accepting cryptocurrency on a wider scale? Will they have the actual support for that? That's just what they need to put in place. It's just a matter of actual time. All right, so there you have it. So one of the things that you have to now keep in mind is, will the price ever go back down? And if it goes back down, you now know what to actually do. Of course, we have these bear moments all the time, and we have these bull moments all the time, of course. Will Bitcoin go back up to $50,000 or $60,000? Without a doubt, it's only a matter of time. Of course, don't follow all of the FUD out there. Start researching cryptocurrencies for yourself. Start looking at all these other cryptocurrencies, of course, like this gaming token that you could have gotten involved with before, because you understand cryptocurrencies or understand where cryptocurrencies are going to go in the future. Actually, I want to hear from you guys. Let me know about some other cryptocurrencies that you're looking at. Let me know what you think about Axie Infinity. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin, your only Bitcoin, or you're only going to be looking at these money, cryptocurrencies in terms of Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? But also with Ethereum, what you can do is stake your Ethereum for Ethereum 2. Of course, that is a long-term play. But if anything we've learned from cryptocurrencies, if you hold it over a longer period of time, you're going to assume a bigger value. But let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what cryptocurrencies that you're checking out. Let me know what you think about the price of Bitcoin. Do you think we're going to hit $50,000 within the next week or the next month? Make sure you also hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified anytime we release any new videos right here on this channel. And also, you know what to do, hit that like button. Helps me get these videos recommended out there to everybody as I grow this actual channel. I'm Black Crypto, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.